Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In the previous video, we have created Recover Forgot Password functionality, which will help the student for recover student account forgotten password. Simply student will recover their forgotten password via student email address. So in this video, we will create student dashboard page. So if a student will enter ID number and password for login their account. If the student will click login button, and if the student entered ID number and password will correct, then we will switch student dashboard, where student can manage their account. Let's code to create. Here is student login page function. So here we will start to create student dashboard. Here I am creating a frame for student dashboard page. These two attributes will add around color border in frame. Using pack_propagate method, you can resize frame. Here we will set frame height and width. Let's call this function for see their results. Here you can see frame resized and around color border added. Now we will create another frame for add these pages options. And also we will add around color border to this options frame. And we will place options frame in dashboard frame. And also here we will set width and height of options frame. If you are using place method to locate a frame, then you no need to use pack_propagate method to resize frame. Here you can see options frame placed here. And also we will set background color to options frame. Now we will create buttons for pages options in options frame. Here I am creating a button for home page option. And we will place this button in options frame. Here you can see home page option button created. Similarly we will create other pages options buttons. Also we need to justify text in left side of this button. Now let's create other buttons. And also we will remove these justify arguments, where we no need them. So we have created all pages options. Now we will create these indicators, for every page option. Basically this indicator is a label, and the label is resized, in a little vertical shape, and it's visible with a background color. Let's see, how we will create an indicator, using a label. Here I am creating a label, for home page option indicator. In the indicator label, we will not add any text. Here we will set background color of this label, for make label visible. For resize this label, in a little vertical shape, we will use place method. Here I will set X and Y position of this label. Here we will set width, and height, of this label for resize in a little vertical shape. By setting width 3, and height 40, label will be resized in a little vertical shape. Here you can see, label resized in a little vertical shape. So we have created indicator for home page option. Similarly we will create indicators for other pages options. So we have created all indicators for pages options. And logout button will not display any indication. When it will be clicked, then a confirmation box will appear. Now we will create a functionality, which will show only indication of clicked page option. And by default, we will indicate home page option. When student dashboard will begin switched, then home page option will be indicated. So first we will hide these indicators. For hide these indicators, we will set options frame matching background color to this indicators. By setting this options frame background color to these indicator labels, the indicator labels will unvisible. Here I will set this background color to this indicator label, which we have set to options frame. Here you can see, this indicator label is unvisible. So we can hide an indicator label by setting options frame matching background color. Similarly, we will hide other indicator labels. You can see other indicators hidden. Now we will create a functionality, which will show indicator of clicked page option. When we will click a page option, then the clicked page option indicator will show. Basically in the switch function, we will take a indicator argument. Indicator argument will a targeted indicator label, which indicator we want to show. For show this targeted indicator label. In the switch function, we will config to targeted indicator label background color, for make it visible. Here we have set targeted indicator label, background color for make it visible. Now let's see how we will show indication using this function. So here home page indicator label is already showing. So we will test this function with student card option indicator. So we will add this function to student card page option button. So if the student card page option will clicked, then we will show student card option indicator. So here targeted indicator label will student card option indicator. So if the student card page option will clicked, then student card option indicator will show. Let's test this function. You can see, indicator is showing, when I clicked student card page option. Let's add this function to other pages options. Here you can see, indicators are showing when I am clicking pages options. Here this option indicator is not showing, let's see. So here I have add mistakenly wrong indicator label, for show indication. So if I will click student card page option, then only clicked page option indicator should be shown, and other indicators should be hidden. Let's fix this. So here in the switch function, we will hide all indicators labels, before showing targeted indicator label. Here we will configure background color to all indicator labels, for make them invisible. By setting this option's frame background color to these indicator labels, the indicator labels will invisible. So here all indicator labels will invisible, and then here targeted indicator label will show. You can see, only clicked page option indicator is showing. Now press subscribe button, if you have not subscribed Tkinter Hub. Now here we will create frame, called pages frame. And in the pages frame, we will switch between dashboard pages, with switching pages options indication. So let's create pages frame, where we will switch dashboard pages. Pages frame we will put in dashboard frame. Also we will set frame height and width. And also we will set frame background color, for see how it resized. Here you can see, pages frame placed here. Now we will create dashboard pages, which we will switch, with switching these pages options indication. For show you example, how we will switch pages in pages frame. So we will create page for each of page option, and the page will have frame, with a label, and the label will represent page name. So let's create dashboard pages. Basically in this function, we will create a frame for home page. Home page frame we will put in pages frame. So we will pack home page frame in pages frame. And also we will fill and expand home page frame in pages frame. So home page frame will fill and expand in both side, in vertically and horizontally. So let's see how we will display home page frame in pages frame. Simply if we will call this function, then this home page frame will pack in pages frame. And also we will set background color to home page frame, for see how it's looking. So we will call this function in below pages frame. Simply when this home page function will execute, then home page frame will pack in pages frame. Here you can see, home page frame packed in pages frame, and it's filled in both side. So now we will create a label in home page frame. And also we will remove background color from frames, which we were set. Here inside in the home page frame, we will create label for home page. Here you can see, label added in home page. Similarly, we will create other pages. For these pages options, so here I forgot to create student card page. But don't worry, let's create student card page. But there is a problem, student card page named function, we have created already. Actually existing student card page function, represent this page, which we are using for display generated student card. So we will set another name of this function. So we will set dashboard student card page name of this function. So we have created student card page for dashboard. Let's see example, how we will switch page, by calling a page function. By calling this page function, we can switch this page and pages frame. Here you can see, student card page frame switched. Here you can see, security page frame switched. Now we will create a functionality, which will switch these pages, with clicking these pages options. Initially we will display home page. When student dashboard will open, then home page will pre-switched. As we have initially switched home page option indicator. Every page frame we have added in a separate function. If we will call a page function, then the page frame will pack in pages frame. So let's see how we will switch pages with clicking their pages options. Simply, in switch function, we will take a new argument, called page. In the page argument, we will take a function of page frame as an argument. These pages functions we will pass as page argument to switch function. So here simply we will call given page function for switch in page frame in pages frame. So here given page function will execute through page argument, and then given page frame will pack in pages frame. So let me show you example by switching student card page with clicking student card page option. So here in the student card page option button, here we will pass student card page function. Notice here you need to pass only function name. So let's if I click student card page option. So here is a problem, student card page frame is switched. But home page frame was already packed in pages frame. So we need to destroy already packed frame from pages frame, and then after we will switch frame in pages frame. So here before, switching given page frame. So before here we will in for loop through, we will destroy packed frames, from pages frame. Winfo_children function, will return child widgets of pages frame. In the for loop through, we will destroy child widgets from pages frame. So here already packed frame, will destroy from pages frame. Also we will update root window, because sometime root window may not show changes. So here before current packed page frame will be destroyed, and then new page frame will switch in. You can see, we can switch page by clicking page option. So let's add other pages, with their pages options. Here you can see, we can switch pages, by clicking their pages options. Now press subscribe button, if you have not subscribed Tkinter Hub. And that's for this video. In the next part of video, we will display student data in student dashboard pages, and also we will create functionalities, which will help the student to manage their account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.